hell?
What's going on out here? What's all the commotion? You good, man?
Man, some loser keeps killing me in my game. It's getting pretty frustrating.
I just might have the thing that'll cheer you up.
That doesn't feel like money, Daniel. Stop lying to me.
Nah, bro. It's that new phone you've been wanting.
This isn't a new phone, bro.
I know.
Just a bunch of old ones. What am I gonna do with
all
these?
of my old iPhones. There's actually a Samsung in there too.
So what are we gonna do with these?
Well, I just figure we'll smush them together. One
I
plus
think-
one equals two.
It's true. I think I've got just the thing to do that.
I think that'll be just perfect.
Let's make a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra.
Alright, so today we're going to be starting with our Samsung. Let me see. Let me pull it up. We're trying to build a Samsung, so the Samsung will be our base. That's what we're going to start from. And then we're going to add 2 iPhone 4S's. We're going to add 3 iPhone 5Cs, 1 iPhone 6 Plus, and 1 iPhone SE. And to top it off, the magic sauce will be 2 batteries for some power. We want a big battery in this phone. We're gonna add a lighter so we can have it not so heavy. We're gonna have a tip, 25 cents, and an alien. This is the magic sauce right here. And hopefully, this is the ingredients list. We're gonna have a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra.
How long do we have to put that in for, Dan?
Let's do 5 minutes. Oh, there we go. There's some magic happening. Well, here we are. We're a minute and a half in. We've seen some sparks so far, but not a whole lot going on. Hopefully they're starting to fuse into one at this point. I see some more sparkage. You can start to smell it. When you start to smell it, you know that it's really starting to get fused into one. Yeah, that's really starting to reek now.
It smells like burning plastic, Dan. Are you sure that's what it's supposed to smell like?
There's plastic, glass, there's metal, lithium ion, there's all sorts of stuff. There's gold, cobalt. Can't quite see. You have to wait till we open it up. 2 minutes left, which means we're 3 minutes in. Which means at this point, everything is one solid mass, and now that lighter is starting to melt it down so that it's gonna be a nice thin new phone. I see more flames. Means I think we're getting to the finale here. It's smelling about done. You just gotta make sure that it's golden crispy. All right, it's done. Pull out your new phone.
I don't know, man. He really did help.
Look at those cameras on the back of that phone.
Man, there's 5 of them. It even came with a case. That's what
See,
the tip was for.
that's what the tip was for.
That's what the tip was for. Wait. I'm getting a call. Hello? Mom? I thought you died 3 years ago. Don't breathe this. Oh man.
Yeah, you can see some of them have like smoke on the inside of the glass.